Dust you don't usually notice shows up as soon as the light's on. Codes Living, 12 kilopascals, Cordless Cyclone Vacuum Cleaner. Floors and carpets, it cleans both. Under the sofa, the headlights show the dust. The steel tube pulls out or shortens whatever height you need. Pick it up and use it handheld. Gaps are done in one go. Edges, corners, tight spots, same thing, it gets them. Hair and lint on the sofa fabric. A couple light passes and it's gone. No scrubbing the fabric. It's clean right away. Hit the button, the bottom lid opens. Tip out the dirt, quick and clean. Hang it back on the wall, easy to put away. Doesn't take up space. Choose Codes Living.